Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to withdraw your money from Bitget. So first, make sure that you have an account, and then just once you're done, click on this wallet icon right here in the top right corner, and then click on the withdraw button. And then if you want to transfer your crypto to their crypto wallet, you can use this option. And then if you want to transfer your money to a bank account, you can use the fiat option right here. So for the crypto, what you want to do is just select what kind of cryptocurrency you want. So there's tons of choices. So you have Bitcoin, Tether, Ethereum, Bitget token, and a lot more. So for example, I'll use Bitcoin, and then select your network, and then add your withdrawal address right here. So you can add your wallet address right here. So yeah, and then click on next, and then you are done. And then if you want to transfer via bank, what you want to do is click on fiat, and then choose what currency you want. So you have Euro, the Brazilian and Turkish currency, etc. And then if you've chosen your currency, there's only one method for Euro right here. It's SEPA. So there's a €1 fee, and processing time will take 2 days. And yeah, and then once you're done, just click on next, and then what you want to do is just finish these tasks right here, like binding your phone number and then binding your email. And then once you're done with that, you can now proceed to the withdrawal process. So what you want to do is just input your bank details, the amount of money that you want to withdraw, and then you are done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to withdraw money from Bitget. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.